Hi, iSpring support. This is Rob Gibson from Emporia State, and we've been conversing a couple times regarding a couple of technical issues that we're having. I thought it might be easier, rather than trying to describe them, to just sort of show you what's happening here. You guys have sent us a build for the product and the building block, which we've installed, but it just doesn't seem to be having any effect. The first thing I want you to notice is that we have two presentations, one called Freshman Orientation and one called Transfer Orientation. And notice that the order that these appear, this is just totally incorrect. The freshman cashiering actually appears last, wellness toward the bottom, but res life is up closer to the top. So let me just sort of show you here what we have. Let me launch into the presentation. So the first quiz that we come to is Freshman Res Life. And remember that it shows cashiering as first. And then Res Life is view slides and then Res Life. So that's obviously still not quite in the correct order. And this presentation is in the exact same sequence. It's just some minor changes. You can see that wellness is up at the top, and then cashiering, and then financial aid. Res Life should be first, and so forth. So that's just obviously not correct. The other thing I wanted to share with you too is that we're seeing this situation where I'm going to kind of count the slides here. So we're on slide 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just do 4 slides. And when I close, you can see that we can't quite figure out on the viewed slides what's going on here, but it seems to indicate that I only viewed 1.72 slides, or 3.45% of the slides. And you can see that it's down here. There's the weight and so forth. Let me close this and go back into it again. And so I had viewed 4 slides, 5, 6, 7, 8. And by the way, there's like 118 slides, something like that. It says 8 slides, and again 0.86% or 1.72. So we're really mystified as to what this is actually showing us here. We can't quite figure it out. We don't have it, weighted very heavily. It's just a 1.0 weight like everything else, and 50 points as far as the total number. But 8 slides has got to be more than 0.86%. It should be, I think a little bit higher than that, if my math is correct. Let me do a couple more. Let's just see. So that was 8 slides. So let's do 9, 10, 11, 12. And we're not sure if you have to click into each one to actually get it to register or not, but that's what we're doing. 13 slides. And let's see what it says. So 13 slides says it's only 3%, 6.3% slides viewed. So if my math serves me correct, that is not correct, because 13 slides should be more than 10% of this presentation, and it's showing 6.3%. So we're stumped about what's going on with viewed slides. It's throwing numbers at us that just do not make any sense whatsoever. So the two things are the ordering, again, still just not ordering correctly, no matter what we try, and the viewed slides. The metrics coming off the viewed slides just make no sense. We've tried going through them using the forward arrow, using the double arrow, clicking each one. It just, nothing seems to make any sense. So anyway, that's what we got. Hopefully that helps illustrate the two major problems that we're having with the product right now. Thanks.